Hola amigos and welcome to Charlatan Chakshu. Today we will have a look at the top 5 largest aircrafts in the world. So let us begin with number 5. And at number 5 we have the Airbus Beluga XL. The role is outsize cargo freight aircraft. Maximum payload that this aircraft can carry is 50.5 ton. The wingspan of this aircraft is 60.3 meters. Moving on to number 4, and at number 4 we have the Boeing 747-8. The role is wide-body jet airliner, and it is also available as a freight aircraft. The maximum passengers that this aircraft can carry is 467. The wingspan of this aircraft is 68.4 meters. Moving on to number 3, and at number 3 we have Airbus A380-800. The role is wide-body jet airliner, and recently it was announced that the production of this aircraft was stopped. Maximum passengers that this aircraft can carry is 853. The wingspan of this aircraft is 79.7 meters. Moving on to number 2, and at number 2 we have Antonov AN-225 Maria. The role is strategic airlifter. The maximum payload that this aircraft can carry is 250 tons. Wingspan of this aircraft is 88.4 meters. Finally, let us have a look at the largest aircraft in the world. And at number 1 we have Stratolaunch Systems Stratolaunch. The role is space launch carrier. Maximum payload for this aircraft is 250 tons. The wingspan of this aircraft is 117 meters. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to check out the whole new series, Largest Chakshu. Over and out.